Good morning and welcome back to Tina's Tiny Heaven. We are today going to try to get 6x6 posts out of the back of my car into the post hole. And wish me luck, because I do not know how it's going to go. It took 2 men to load each one of these posts yesterday when I picked them up. So I'm going to get the camera set here. That should be about good. And I might have some help. I hope. We are on video. So come on, come on, come on. Come on.
What are you trying to do? Get these
I gotta
some,
get these out.
these
into
some
this hole.
beaches out there?
Yeah.
This is a little bit overkill. A
Well,
lot overkill, sweetie.
I'm just gonna put one on each one because the
No shit, you couldn't lift another one. Oh, watch it, watch it.
well, that was perfect timing. 'Cause
Well, I told you I'd be here.
so that one goes at the back.
Huh?
That one goes at the back. So
I ain't walking it.
I know.
Okay.
No. So
Sure, this has got to go here? You don't want one
Yeah.
there?
should I put the same size over there? Because I got 4x4s.
4x4s would be nice over here.
And then I
Not
was going
so
to put a
net-
6x6 over
Not
in the
quite,
back.
not quite so deep. Because you can take a chainsaw and chop these off.
Yeah,
But that one ain't as long as this, is it?
the same size.
Same size? Okay.
So anyway.
Well, how
Hi.
you be? How you be?
Hi,
I
and
miss
everybody, this is my friend Steve.
What?
So he came
what
just in the nick
hell?
of time. So I think we've got it all covered for today.
Maybe I got that.